Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama Junia Anggraini, NIM 5012000527, kelas 4 EP Ekonomi Syariah, mata kuliah Perekonomian Indonesia. Yang pertama, Paradigm of Energy Source Critical Review on Competitive Dynamics of Solar PV Industry in Indonesia. Abstract background: the development of the PV industry, both globally and locally. Indonesia represent a major paradigm shift in energy sources from traditional energy to renewable energy. Referensi: Sumarsono and Wahyuni S. Sudartyo L. et al. 2022, A Paradigm Shift of Energy Sources, Critical Review and Competitive Dynamics of Solar PV Industry Indonesia. Renewable Energy Focus 41 236 sampai 245 halaman https. Yang kedua, Risk Analysis of the Indonesia Kerajinan Sawit Industry. Abstract: Indonesia, the world biggest manufacturer of connect Swedish enterprise that helps deliver houses of over 250,000 coastal households. Referensi: Longpur A. Zhang J. Waldron S. et al. 2022, Risk Analysis of the Indonesia Kerajinan Sawit Industry, Aquaculture, https. Yang ketiga, Improving Governance Quality Through Global Standard Setting, Experience from the Extractive Industry Transparency Initiative in Indonesia. Summary: the Extractive Industry Transparency Initiative (EITT) is a global standard aimed at improving the quality of governance of the mining industry. Referensi: Yanuardi, Pitt J. M. J. Birman ed. 2021, Improving Governance Quality Through Global Standard Setting, Experiences from the Extractive Industry Transparency Initiative in Indonesia. The Extractive Industry NCT 8, 3 volume. Yang keempat, Relationship between Manufacturing Complexity, Strategy, and Performance of Manufacturing Industry in Indonesia. Summary: purpose research emphasizing the need to further investigate the impacts of manufacturing complexities on corporate strategy and performance in manufacturing in development countries. Referensi: Budiono H.D., Nurcahyono R., Habibur Rahman M. 2021, Relationship between Manufacturing Complexity, Strategy, and Performance of Manufacturing Industry in Indonesia. Helion 76 I07225 https. 5. Traceability System Model of Indonesia Food Cold Chain Industry, COVID-19 Pandemic Perspective. Summary: this study analyzes the impact of traceability system on the performance of Indonesia food cold chains during the COVID-19 pandemic and explained the needs of Indonesian cold foods consumer in terms of stability system. Referensi: Masudin L., Ramadhani A., Restu Putri D. P. 2021, Traceability System Model of Indonesia Food Cold Chain Industry, COVID-19 Perspective, Cleaner Engineering and Technology 4 100238 http. 6. Reliability cost trade-offs for electricity industry planning with high variable renewable energy penetration in emerging economies. A case study Indonesia as Japa Bali Grid. Summary emerging market power industry face the specific challenge of providing environmentally friendly and safe energy at affordable prices in the face of rising demand and limited financial recourse. Referensi Tanoto Y, Hagdadi N, Bruce A, et al. 2021, Reliability Cost Trade-offs Electricity Industry Planning with High Variable Renewable Energy Penetration in Emerging Economies, a Case Study of Indonesia, Japa Bali Grid. Energi 227 120474 https. Ketujuh, case study chemical health risk assessment in the food swal industry in Bogor, Indonesia, year 2019. Abstract objective, this study I made to analyze the health risk related to the use of chemicals among workers in small footwear factories. Referensi Sapira Y, N, Tajamaya M, Putri A 2021, a case study chemical health risk assessment in the food wall small industry in Bogor, Indonesia, year 2019, Gesita Senatria 35 2 https 8 detection of P2V lending issue in Indonesia. Abstract financial technology finance a growing industry in Indonesia supported by advance in the technological transfer. At the end of 2019, the Financial Service Authority, the Financial Authority Indonesia recorded 194 register and licensed fintech P2V lending competence. Referensi Suryono R, Budi I, Purwandi B 2021, detection of finance P2V lending issue in Indonesia. Hilion 7 4 9, the evaluation of stability reformation practice in Indonesia. Abstract. The stability principle in the business has become an international trend recently and led to the business stability situation regarding corporate performance to be more disclosed and accounted for using their dimension. Referensi Gunawan J, Permatasari P, Fauzi H 2021, The Evaluation of Stability Report Practice in Indonesia, Journal of Cleaner Production 398 13 17 98. https 10 ergonomic assessment in metal based small industries is Bogor Regency Indonesia 2019. Summary goals: small and medium sized enterprises play an important role in economic growth and employment in nursing the risk of laboratoriness for works. Metal businesses are considered to be the industry with the most demanding physical work activities and work posture requirements and risk factor for musculoskeletal disorders. Referensi Andriani P, Tajamaya M, Midarko B, et al. 2021, Ergonomic Assessment in Metal-Based Small Industry in Bogor, Regency Indonesia 2019, Regency Sanatria 35 2 TPS 11 spatiotemporal macro debris and microplastic variations linked to domestic waste and textile industry in the subvertical Citarium River, Indonesia. Summary: river are the main waterways for transporting land and sea debris. Present on site monitoring data for macro debris and microplastic along the Indonesia subvertical Citarium River. Referensi: Cordova, M.R. Nurhati, I.C. Siomoto A. et al. 2022, spatiotemporal macro debris and microplastic variations linked to domestic waste and textile industry in the subvertical Citarium River, Indonesia. Marine Pollution Bulletin 175 TTPS 12 relationship between ISO 9001 2015 and operational and business performance of manufacturing industry in a developing country, Indonesia. Summary: proposed study implemented the need to further investigate the impact of ISO 9001 in performance in manufacturing in development countries. Referensi: Nur Cahyono R. Zulfadilah Habibur Rahman M. Relationship between ISO 9001 2015 and operational and business performance of manufacturing industries in a developing country, Indonesia. Helion 71 13 toward understanding of capture image in the hospitality industry as Java, Indonesia. Abstract: direction of this examine is to decide how the perfection understanding of material manager in S Java to ends the company Victor is a model referencing strategy. Referensi: Triamanto B. Respatiha Wahyuni N. 2021 toward an understanding of corporate image in the hospitality industry at Java, Indonesia. Helion 73 HTTPS 14 monitoring the COVID-19 affected Indonesia suite industry using remote sensing data. Summary: Indonesia suite industry has grown rapidly of the last 20 years and now contributes to the livelihoods of 267.000 coastal households. Referensi: Langford A. Waldron R. Sulfahri 2021 monitoring the COVID-19 affected Indonesia Swedish industry using remote sensing data. Merit Police 127 104431 HTTPS 15 challenge of implementing the policy and strategy for management of radioactive waste and nuclear spent fuel in Indonesia. Referensi: Wisnubroto DS Zamroni H. Sumarbagiono RG 2021 challenge of implementing the policy and strategy for management of radioactive waste and nuclear spent fuel in Indonesia. Nuclear engineering and technology 53 2 PEC 549 sampai 591 TTPS. 16 building heretical sustainable development transition model in qualitative information approach. Electric utility industry in Indonesia. Summary. This study contributes the literature by assessing the translation to sustainable development using a qualitative information approach in the forward industry and recommending vertical impacts for decision makers. Referensi Steseng ML Ardaniah V Negas YT 2022 Building Heretical Sustainable Development Translation Model in Qualitative Information Approach Electric Utility Industry Indonesia Clean and Responsible Consumption. 17. The receptioners and challenge of COVID-19, the hotel industry potential strategy from a study of Indonesia. Referensi Japutra A. Situmorang R. 2021 The Reversionist and Challenge of COVID-19, the Hotel Industry Potential Strategy from Case Study of Indonesia, International Journal of Hospitality Management, 95, 10/8, 90 https. 18. Mega Conversion from LPG to Indonesia Stop to Active Indonesia Clean Energy Transition. Referensi Firman Sahakam D. Nugraha Wicaksono A et al. 2021 Mega Conversion from LPG to Induction Stop to Active Indonesia Clean Energy Transition. Energi Strategi Review 41 10 0856 https 19 Drill Baby Drill Natural Resource Shock and Fertility in Indonesia. Referensi Margaret E. Bremfaul, Paul A. et al. 2022 Drill Baby Drill Natural Resource Shock and Fertility in Indonesia Labor Economics. 20. The Transformation of Public Space Production and Consumption and Post-Reformation Indonesia Cities. Referensi Saudun Panjaitan TW Pojani D Darhan S 2022 The Transformation of Public Space Production and Consumption in Post-Reformation Indonesia City, Culture and Society. 21. Exploring Indonesia Energy Policy Filter Storm the Just Permok. Referensi Tresia B. Sumarsono, Sihotang V. et al. 2022 Exploring Indonesia Energy Policy Filter Storm the Just Permok Energy Policy 161 11 29 14. 22. Impact of Lifestyle Change on home energy consumption during pandemic COVID-19 in the Indonesia. Referensi 22 Novianto D, Doni Kurniawan M, Munawir M, et al. 2022 Impact of Lifestyle Change on Home Energy Consumption during Pandemic 2021 COVID-19 in Indonesia Sustainable City and Society. 23. Sustainable Consumption Traditional Model, Society Concern, and Waste Minimization under Willingness to Pay Indonesia Food Industry. Referensi Chen C. Yudhistira Sujanto R. Langteseng M. et al. 2021 Sustainable Consumption Transition Model, Social Concerns and Waste Minimization under Willingness to Pay in Indonesia Food Industry, Resource Conservation and Recycling. 170 105590 https 24. Publishing Management Curriculum in Indonesia. Referensi Wibawa A. J. Hitip UI. Hardianto R. et al. 2022 Publishing Management Curriculum in Indonesia, International Journal of Educational Research, Oven 325, The Influence of Efficiency, Credibility, and Normative Pressure to M-Banking Adaptation Level in Indonesia. Referensi Firmansyah IA, Yasirandi R, Utomo RG 2022. The Influence of Efficiency, Credibility, and Normative Pressure to M-Banking Adaptation Level in Indonesia. Prosedia Computer Science 197 51 sampai 60 HTTPS. 26 US Government Shutdowns and Indonesia Stock Market. Referensi Nguyen DT, Van DHB, Angling Kusumo R et al. 2021. US Government Shutdowns and Indonesia Stock Market as Government Shutdowns and Indonesia Stock Market. 67 10 15 21 HTTPS. 27 Managing Sociopolitical Risk at a subnational level, lesson from MEA subsidiaries in Indonesia. Referensi Rolce, Osabutei E, Rodriguez P et al. 2022, Managing Sociopolitical Risk at the subnational level, lesson from MA subsidiaries in Indonesia, Journal of World Business. 28 Territorializing Spatial Data, Controlling Land Power, One Map Project in Indonesia and Myanmar. Referensi Pekson H. O. Jenny E. Goldenstein et al. 2022. Territorializing Spatial Data, Controlling Land Power, One Map Project in Indonesia and Myanmar, Political Geofor 98 10-2651. 29 Land Rationalities and their government effect Indonesia for working land politik are addressed at power formulation. Referensi MC JF, Diahul Haq A, Afif A et al. 2022, Land Reform Rationalities and their government's effect in Indonesia. Provoking land politics or addressing adverse formalization reform 132 92 sampai 102. 150 years of soil security research in Indonesia, citing topics models of research and gender balance. Referensi Hairiyah K, Piantis D, Rahayu Utami S et al. 2022, Under 50 Years of Oil Security Research in Indonesia, citing topic modes of research and gender balance. Soil Security 6 10 0049.